Doing this seat right here out this Charger 2007, yeah, 2007 Dodge Charger. We got the line wheels stitched on the outside. Just a cut up. One thing we replacing is we're gonna leave this middle section. We're gonna leave it because it's still good. We're gonna reuse it. And we're gonna do the rest of it in some matching vinyl. And I'll put the line ring stitch on the inside. And we got the black stitching in the middle. So it's messed up right there. Spot right there. That spot on the kitchen. This side. So we're gonna redo the whole seat except for the insert. And I can't get that material, so we're gonna keep it so it match the rest of it. We're just doing the driver's seat in the car. Seat. Pockets and everything. That's the car's right here. Lime green, 2007. Charger, Daytona. Alright, we took the cushion off from the backrest. All the wires and shit off of there. The cushion right here. All by itself. Pretty much make it back like it is. I want to kind of match the rest of the car. Only difference is the material that I'm put on here is pretty much about the same. Got the same texture in it and everything. So this is gonna look new. So the seat gonna look better than the rest of the seat that's in there. So I mean it's gonna look different as far as it's gonna look better than the rest of the car. But we're just doing the front seat. Got me little marks on there and whatnot. Now I'm gonna take the apart. Already have did the cushion part. back to the original pattern with the lime green stitching in there. That's lime green on the car. Got it on there. Got the suede in the ends. I can't finish it today because the can't get to the embroidery machine today. I gotta wait till tomorrow. So I'm gonna put this one back in the car. I'll just let y'all check this one out right here. You know what I'm saying? Just black with the lime green stitch. Put the headrest back in there. Oh yeah, it's bike clean now.